In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple logo with Gemini AI. If you're looking to spin up a clean, professional logo in minutes, this walkthrough will keep things simple and focused. First, open your Gemini account. Launch your browser, go to the Gemini site, and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. Being logged in ensures you can access the creative tools without interruptions. If you're new, the interface is straightforward, and everything we need is right inside your account. Next, click Tools. This is the area where Gemini groups its creative utilities, including image generation. Opening Tools sets you up to move directly into visual creation, so you don't have to hunt around the interface. Now click Create Image. This brings up the image generator, where you'll see a prompt field. Think of this as your creative brief. The clearer your words, the better the AI understands what to produce. You don't need design software knowledge here. Just provide a concise description and let the system do the heavy lifting. In the prompt box, enter the following. Create a clean professional logo for Urban Brew Coffee. Use a minimal coffee cup icon and elegant typography on a simple background. Type it as a single, clear instruction. Minimal coffee cup icon tells Gemini to avoid clutter and stick to a simple, recognizable shape. Elegant typography encourages refined, readable lettering without gimmicks, which helps the logo look polished at any size. Simple background keeps attention on the mark and the name, which is great for menus, packaging, and social profiles. Keep the brand name spelling and capitalization consistent so the lettering appears the way you expect. Aim for clarity over length in your wording. A tight, specific prompt usually outperforms a long, vague description and gives the AI less room to guess. After you've entered the prompt, wait patiently while it generates. The system is analyzing your description and rendering visual options. Depending on traffic and complexity, this can take a moment, so resist the urge to click away or refresh. You may see low-resolution previews first, then cleaner versions as processing completes. Pausing here helps you get stable results without restarting the process. That's the full flow. Open your Gemini account, go to Tools, choose Create Image, enter the clear prompt, and wait for the output to appear. Following this sequence keeps the process smooth and repeatable, especially when you need quick, professional-looking concepts. Once the results load, you'll see how a precise prompt turns into clean logo ideas with minimal effort. Rewind anytime to revisit the setup, and you'll be ready to create simple, effective logos on demand.